In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Gmail subscription. When people say Gmail subscription, they're usually referring to the paid Google One storage plan that gives Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos extra space. Canceling that plan stops future charges, and at the end of your current billing period, your account returns to the free storage limit. Your files and emails stay in your account, but if you are above the free limit after it ends, sending email or adding new files may be restricted until you free up space or re-upgrade. To get started, open your browser and go to one of two places. 1. Google.com or Google DMP Face Storage. Both links take you to Google's storage management area, where you can see how much space you use across Google services. If prompted, sign in with the Google account associated with the plan. A quick tip here. Check the profile icon in the top right corner to make sure you are on the right account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. On the storage page, look toward the top right for the settings gear icon. It's a small cog-shaped button that opens your membership settings. Click that gear to bring up options related to your plan. Inside Settings, find and select Cancel Membership. This is the option that stops your Google One plan from renewing. When you click it, Google will show a brief confirmation screen. This typically includes the date your current plan will end, so you'll know exactly when the extra storage will no longer apply. Review that information, then confirm to finalize the cancellation. After you confirm, you are done. You should see a confirmation message on screen, and you may also receive an email summarizing the change. Your plan stays active until the end of the current billing period, so nothing stops immediately. Once it ends, your account reverts to the free limit. If your stored content is over that free limit, Gmail may pause sending and receiving until you clear space, and Drive and Photos may stop syncing new items. Nothing is deleted automatically because of the cancellation, but you may need to manage storage to keep things running smoothly. If at any point you don't see the settings gear or the cancel membership option, it could mean you are not on a paid plan with that account, or the plan is managed by someone else in a family group. That's it, quick, clear, and reversible if you change your mind later. Thanks for watching.